My name is Steve Neely, Augusta Tango Club, and we're in Atlanta for the 57th Fighter Squadron Milonga Tango Evolution puts on. We're having a great time. It's a nice little Milonga, and we're here with Carol and Roger in Atlanta. And we're also here with our mini Ray Barbosa. And he's getting all set for the Chicago Tango Mini Festival. The classes are set, so you want to go ahead and get your the early bird pass is still available till March 1st. Okay, so sign up.
Sign up on March 1st.
Yeah, we'll be there.